Oral health problems are common and don't always mean a lack of proper hygiene. Sometimes these problems are the result of disease, reactions to certain foods and bacterial growth in the less visible areas of the mouth. Most people try to treat these problems using disinfecting rinses that promise to reduce the presence of pathogens. However, alternative medicine offers an ancient Ayurvedic remedy to promote oral health. It's known as oil pulling, but what this really means is rinsing the mouth with a vegetable oil. By using antibacterial oils, you can eliminate tartar, bad breath and other problems like gingivitis. How does oil pulling work? You can use any vegetable oil for this treatment, like sesame, olive or sunflower. However, coconut oil is proven to be the most effective. Its fatty acids and antibacterial compounds reduce the presence of microorganisms. In fact, it's been scientifically proven that it destroys the Streptococcus mutans bacterium, which is responsible for tooth decay and other oral problems. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties are responsible for these health benefits. All you have to do is take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish around your mouth for 3-5 minutes. What are the benefits of using coconut oil for oral health? Coconut oil is edible and has a pleasant taste. It's really easy to use as a mouth rinse, and can even be used as a base for homemade toothpaste. Given its ability to destroy pathogens in the mouth, regular use carries with it some important benefits that are worth mentioning. Avoid gum disease. Coconut oil contains anti-inflammatories that can help treat and prevent gingivitis and other oral health issues. This condition occurs when the immune system starts attacking the bacteria that cause plaque, which then triggers an inflammatory reaction. Using coconut oil reduces the residues left by these bacteria and alters the environment which they need in order to thrive. It's also useful for treating and preventing cavities and bleeding gums. Fight jaw pain. The properties of this edible oil strengthen the jaw and prevent infections, inflammation and pain. Some people suggest using it as a supplementary treatment for temporomandibular joint pain. Get rid of bad breath. Bad breath is an embarrassing problem that can affect the social life and self-esteem of anyone who is unlucky enough to suffer from it. It's caused by the wastes and gases emitted by the bacteria that live in the mouth. These bacteria thrive in the less accessible cavities and recesses of the mouth. Rinsing and flossing are two effective ways to treat the problem at its source. Instead of resorting to products containing harsh alcohols, it's much better to use this all-natural and edible oil. It's proven to reduce the presence of bacteria on the teeth and tongue and to neutralize bad breath. Whiten your teeth. While it won't whiten your teeth like a professional treatment, coconut oil can help remove the yellow stains that form on the surface of the teeth as a result of accumulated plaque and food debris. Using it as a rinse and toothpaste cleans teeth and keeps the tongue from forming that ugly white coating. How do I use coconut oil as a mouth rinse? As we mentioned earlier, all you have to do is swish a tablespoon of coconut oil around your mouth for a few minutes. You can also combine it with a little baking soda to create a toothpaste. Remember that the oil solidifies when cold, so you shouldn't spit the oil out in the sink after rinsing. Spit into a paper towel or bowl and dispose of it in the trash. Some people recommend performing this treatment in the morning, just before breakfast. However, it can be done any time of day.
Yeah.